We are in for the sweetest of treats this morning. Pastry Chef Maria Kemp joining us live making cheesecake stuffed strawberries. I love it.
Yes.
And you promised that it's easy also. So what do we need here? What are our ingredients?
Very easy. Heavy cream. You're going to whip that to soft peaks. Then as soon as that's whipped, you're going to add in your cream cheese. Then you'll add in your powdered sugar. Oops. Then you'll add in vanilla. You'll turn this on, finish whipping it, and then you'll transfer it to a piping bag. Now, I just put some pink food coloring. I actually put a little raspberry flavoring in it to make it pink. And then I cut off the top and the bottom from the strawberry because you need a little cavity to put the filling in. And then once you do that, you fill it. Make sure I'm going the right way so you guys can see me.
There you go.
It's like in reverse. And then you fill it and put it on your little tray. And then you can sprinkle it with toasted coconut. Sprinkle it with graham cracker crumbs, whatever you want. So you can flavor your filling, absolutely, and change the color just to make it pretty, just like I did.
What a beautiful looking treat and a good summertime dessert and a good way, I like this, Chef Maria, to sneak in some fruit into dessert for the kids, right? They still get the treat of the cheesecake, but you also get a little healthy side of it there too. Okay, before we go, we want you to be able to let people know they can have Beyond Decadence now brought to their door. What's your new shipping?
Yes, shipping's going to be starting in July, so it's starting this month. It's going to be two-day nationwide, and all the details, as soon as they're all available, will be on the website, which is beyonddecadence.com.
All right, Chef Maria Kemp with Beyond Decadence. Check out the recipe. We'll have a link to that and to her shipping, the new shipping process there on our website, fox46.com. Thank you so much. Make it a good one. We'll be right back, guys.